Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, sales manager here. I got a short application spotlight to go over with you today. This is going to be on our container dumpers. The one right behind me is actually a lift and dump, but what we're going to talk about today could be put on any one of our Reliant series dumpers. Our extended pivots, standard pivots, side loads, heavy duties, lift and dumps, doesn't matter, we can put it on there. What we're going to focus on today on this lift and dump is the retaining mechanism. In a lot of our other videos, we've talked with you about the different types of ways we can retain containers, whether it be crossbars, spring-loaded bars, pins, adjustable bracketry. This customer actually had a cart kind of specialized to them that had a T-rail on the bottom of it. So we developed a receptacle for that T-rail, and we're going to utilize that to be our mechanism for retaining the cart so that it doesn't discharge down into the downstream process. This customer is going to be a metal recycler. They've got a lot of turnings and shavings. They're going to be recycling their metal into briquettes. We've got a downstream briquetting system that's after our machine, and so an operator is going to very easily be able to push the carts into this lift and dump. That T mechanism receptacle is going to be able to make sure that the cart does not fall out as it unloads all of the metal shavings into the hopper downstream. So hopefully that video brought you some value. We can create a lot of different types of mechanisms for retaining containers, as well as different options for automation on retaining them. Please contact your sales engineer and we'll be happy to discuss with you the available options we can do for your container. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.